It's been about 3 months since my Fraxel repair procedure, and I absolutely adore it. I think my skin is clearer. I think my eyes have been lifted. Certainly my neck and my area right around here is much, much improved. And I'm going to be 65 in October, so I think I'm looking pretty good for that. The other day I'm a figure skater and I coach little tots. And one of the little 3-year-olds I was working with, I told him that I was a grandma, and he looked at me, he said, "No, you're a mommy." So I took that to believe that he thought I was younger looking. And I do believe it's due to the Fraxel repair procedure. What I like best about the results, I would have to say, are the lack of wrinkles in my cheeks. I think my eyes are far more open. My neck is much improved. I can see that it doesn't look as saggy. Then I also feel that even around my mouth area, that my lines have improved there as well. I think it's wonderful. I was very comfortable during the procedure. I was certainly numbed enough through the cream and the injection so that I almost anticipated pain, and when it wasn't there, it was, whoa, okay, I'm waiting for it, and it just didn't come. I would recommend the Fraxel procedure to anyone, actually, because I think it really helps if you have any sun damage from when you were young, if you have even fine lines, wrinkles. It's wonderful. It helps with tightening. I love it.